Good day, mates. I hope everything is going well for you. I'd like to introduce you to my portable changing station. If you're on the road, like my kids and I stay on the road, we stay in the mountains, we go on hikes, and often we need to change clothes or other things, and we need a little privacy. So, this is what I devised. It took me maybe an hour to make it and cost less than $20. If you need a little more security while changing clothes, you can use super magnets. I tried to glue them inside the shower curtain, but crazy glue will not work, and I'm scared it will rip the material anyway. So if you use the cloth material as opposed to a shower curtain, you could probably sew it in. This is just showing you what it looks like without the curtain. It just pulls off the top of the vehicle. For this project, I bought two 10-foot sections of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. If you need it more rigid, you can buy 1 inch. That's two sections of T's, and then 2 elbows. And of course the shower hooks. And that's all you'll need. The total length of this, I'm showing you where I cut the sections. Total length of mine is about 5.5 feet. And that will be according to whatever size vehicle you have also. You may want it a little shorter or a little longer. Width, it is around 2 feet. So you'll need your PVC cement to keep it all together, shower hooks, shower curtain of course, and it's really quite simple. All you'll need is a hacksaw to cut the pipe. Attaching it to the top of my vehicle, I took 2 old tent poles and taped it to the top. It's not going anywhere, there's no pressure on it whatsoever. So driving down the road is safe like that. And then I'll just slide the entire contraption up top and clamp it down. When I'm finished, I just take the shower curtain off, put the frame up top, clamp it down, and we're good to go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you out. If you did, click the like and subscribe button, and you have a great rest of the day.